pour an agarose gel, the agarose has been prepared and should be cool to the touch, about 60 degrees Celsius. You're going to have the gel casting tray, and a paper towel is useful in case you have any spillage. Notice the gel casting tray has two gates which can go up and down. In order to pour the gel, you want them in the up position, and you're going to use the screws to tighten them in place. Place the gel bed down, and now you're going to place the comb into the gel tray. Notice that the tray has a high end and a low end. The comb really only goes in one position. The higher side goes on the high end, and you clip it into place. Put the gel bed on the paper towel, take the agarose, and slowly pour it into the gel bed from the corner, filling up the gel tray and being certain that the teeth of the comb are submerged. Sometimes the equipment can get compromised with heavy use. Gates can get broken and screws can be stripped. You can still prepare the gel bed by just using a simple piece of tape in place of the gate. You take the gel bed and adhere the tape to the end, placing it firmly around the sides and tucking it along the back to ensure that you don't have any leakage of the agarose when you're pouring the gel.